Using 3D to make drawing backgrounds easier is a no-brainer, especially with Pencil Plus. And if you haven't seen that tutorial, the link's in the description below. Once you've got the great inks, now you have to flat it before you can color it, and that is a pain in the butt. Until now. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Maya to make the flats so much easier. Let's get into it. I'm using the same model that I used for my Pencil Plus Basics video. It's the building here. But as you can see, I've added a couple of trees and a couple of vehicles. Everything is set up with Lambert, with the Lambert shader. So as I've done before, go to perspective. I set a keyframe for right here. And you can see the film gate and resolution gate are showing me that this is what's going to be rendered out. And then I go into Clip Studio, and this is what I actually rendered. So this is the Pencil Plus render, and I would have to flat it. And then you just keep making the flats until you've flatted the entire thing. You can do this way faster with a surface shader. In Maya, all you would do is I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna go down to Favorite Material and Surface Shader. Now it starts off as black, but you can change this to any of these presets or any color at all. Let's just do this really fast just to get an idea of how it works. Gonna make the building into this blue. So now that we've got this, it's super, super easy, right? And we can always go in and, you can break apart this. You can see I just selected the windshield. So for example, I can go Surface Shader, Orange. All right, so now when we render it, I'm going to change this from Pencil Plus to Maya Hardware, and I will re-render it. And there we go. Now this could be a little bit cleaner, but let's go ahead and save this. Now I'm going to open that file, going to select it, copy, paste it into here, and there we go. So all I'm showing in this video, it's meant to be a quick video on how you would take surface shaders from your 3D program, Maya in my case, and export those for really, really quick, easy, and clean flats for your comic. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, please like the video. If you get value out of these videos, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a comment or a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. That's going to do it for now. I appreciate it, guys. Once again, thank you and have a great day.